What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to One How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy S21. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to rotate or turn your apps on the Samsung Galaxy S21. For those of you who are not quite sure that I'm talking about, as you guys can see on the home screen here, I rotate my phone in the landscape position and nothing moves, nothing rotates. If I swipe up and go to my app screen, you guys can also see that nothing is rotating, nothing is moving. So what we're going to want to do in order to get that to rotate, from this screen, there's a little three buttons right up here. We can go ahead and select that, and from here we're going to go down into settings. Once we are in settings, go ahead, scroll down till you see rotate to landscape mode. Go ahead and select that, and once we have that selected, I'm just going to go ahead and hit the back button. Takes us back to our app screen, or app page. And as I rotate it, you guys can see all these apps now turn sideways, and it gives you the full thing. So let's just go to the home menu. It works on the home menu now as well. So if you have a bunch of apps out there, you can rotate it, and the home screen is now in landscape mode. It rotates as well. So that is a pretty cool thing. And let's say for whatever reason you have it on and it just annoys you, you want to get rid of it. So what we're going to want to do is the same way as we got in, is just swipe up, go where your apps are at, hit the three buttons and go into settings. Once we are in settings, go ahead, scroll down and look for the rotate to landscape mode, and just make sure that is deselected. So once that is deselected, once again, I'll go back to my home screen. As you guys could see, nothing moves, nothing rotates. It's not moving. It's kind of in a locked position. So that is how to rotate your home screen or the apps on your app screen. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you know anybody else who might be looking for this information, please do share it with them. Thank you all for watching. Have a nice day.